Let's start. Devansh, ready?
Fine. Let's wait for others to join.
Devansh, are you ready, beta?
Okay, we'll.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bache. Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, what will be the timings for our exam?
Beta, that the principal sir can only tell. I have no clue about this.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello? You'll get to know. Don't worry. Why are you worried? Okay. Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, bache.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shoaib. No, this was not Shoaib, I believe. Was this Shoaib?
I'm Anand.
Anand, yes. Okay,
Good morning, ma'am.
fine. Good morning. Good morning, Shoaib. Okay. Let us start with the revision. We were doing civics, I believe.
Ma'am, we were doing the practice paper of both history and civics.
Okay, we were doing practice paper. I think I had shared a PDF with you all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
just a moment, just a second then. Let me share another one with you, okay?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा.
that practice paper we have to do in our copy.
No, that is for your reference, beta. That day, the other day when we were doing it, no, many of the students said that, ma'am, please share it.
Okay, ma'am.
So for that only I have shared.
And ma'am, we have to submit our history and civics copy in our school.
When? Who told you this?
Ma'am,
I don't know. Was there any message regarding this?
no, ma'am.
Then?
Okay, मैम मैं क्योंकि मैम उजमा मैम कह रही थी कि मैम सारी मतलब सब्जेक्ट की कॉपियां जमा होंगी.
अच्छा, तो फिर हो सकता है बेटा सर ने बताया हो, तो ठीक है, आप लोग जमा करा दीजिएगा, है ना?
कि मैम
ठीक
ग्रुप
है,
में ऐसा मैसेज आया नहीं कोई अभी तक.
तो हम देख लेंगे. अगर मैम ने कहा है तो बेटा कुछ तो बात होगी, है ना?
ओके मैम.
आप हमें 2 मिनट दो, हम पेपर ही सर्च कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया वो. Let us do one thing. I'll ask you questions and you answer these questions, right? Civics, what is democracy? Why democracy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me good morning, Parni. Who among the following led a military coup in Pakistan in 1990? Benazir Bhutto, Nawaz Sharif, Ayub Khan, Pervez Musharraf.
मैम परवेज मुशर्रफ.
And Parvez Musharraf.
Pervez Musharraf, very good. Robert Mugabe was the president of which country?
मैम मैक्सिको.
Zimbabwe.
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 मुझे Zimbabwe बेटा, ठीक है? Dash demands accountability from all authorities, that is legislature, judiciary and executive. Who demands accountability from all authorities?
Ma'am, judiciary.
मैम लेजिस्लेटिव.
I'm judicial.
Judiciary.
नहीं बेटा, ये जुडिशरी तो उसमें दिया ही हुआ है. What is the name of the chapter?
मैम लेजिस्लेटिव.
Democracy.
Yes. Democracy demands accountability from all authorities, the legislature, the judiciary and the executive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In democratic countries, the dash is independent, protects the rights of the individuals and its decisions are respected by the government?
Judiciary.
Judiciary.
Very good,
Judiciary.
Akansha. Judiciary is independent, protects
Ma'am,
the rights of-
judiciary.
Yes, yes, Videsh, very good. What do you understand by the term referendum? What do you understand by the term referendum?
Ma'am, referendum is kind of a statement that is given which is voted yes or no upon.
Yes, very good. I think the definition of referendum is given in the book as well, in the first chapter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who among the following defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, for the people?
Abraham Lincoln.
Ma'am, Abraham
Abraham?
Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln. Very good. Can anybody spell it for me? Abraham Lincoln?
Ma'am, may I?
ABRAHAMLINCOLN.
Very good. ABRAHM Abraham, LINCOLN, where L is silent, Abraham Lincoln, right? Do you know what is direct democracy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell please.
Direct democracy is a kind of democracy where the people come together to form decision. There are no representatives. The people rule directly.
Very good. Direct democracy is a system or it is a procedure where the people come together to take decisions for certain issues, right? And where they are the ones who are part of the government, right? Right, yes? हाँ. चलिए, next. In Saudi, you have to tell whether it is true or false. In Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote.
False.
Correct.
No, no, it's not correct. बेटा हमने बताया था ना, बुक में भले ही लिखा हो कि it is not given, but 2016 में it was given, right? 2016 में Saudi Arabia में women got the right to vote, equality, political
Okay, ma'am.
equality. हाँ. In which country the value of every vote is not the same?
And Fiji.
Fiji. Very good.
Fiji.
Fiji. Okay, which newly independent country has a citizenship law that does not grant equal rights to people belonging to Russian minority?
Estonia.
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 Estonia. Very good. Estonia. Fine. In which year Zimbabwe became independent?
In 2017.
1980.
1980. 1980. 1980. Very good. What is the name of the party that has been ruling the country?
ZANU-PF.
ZANU-PF.
ZANU-PF. Very good. Very good. Who is the leader of this party, ZANU-PF?
Robert Mugabe.
Robert
Mugabe.
Robert Mugabe. Very good. Robert Mugabe. Very good. Can you tell in which year the RTI was passed in the parliament? Indian RTI in the Indian parliament? Anybody who knows?
No, ma'am.
I think
Maybe 2005.
2005. Yes, 2005. Very good, Akansha. And what is this RTI? I hope you all know.
Yes, ma'am. It
Right
gives
to
the right
Information
to
Act.
citizen to the information
To know
by the
about
government.
to know about the policies, decisions of the government.
Ma'am,
Okay.
but some policies should be there which are hidden.
See, RTI gives you access to the government information. Whatever you want to know, you come to know about that. But of course, the defense secrets are not told to the people. This is something which is of utmost, importance, and it cannot be shared among the citizens. We don't know who is a traitor who can, give away the defense secrets. That is why defense, in case of defense, things are kept as secret, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, what was ordered by General Pervez Musharraf to amend the constitution in August 2002?
Legal framework order.
Yes, it was the legal framework order. Very good. Can you चलो अच्छा ठीक है रुको अभी और पहले some more questions are. Can you give any 5 reasons that tell that why democracy is a popular form of government? Any 5 reasons why democracy is a popular form of government?
Ma'am, the government is elected by the people.
Hmm,
Ma'am, it is first of all the rule of the people.
right.
Second,
Ma'am, it's in the hands of the people to choose
it
their own
is
representative.
accountable to the people.
Ma'am,
Accountability is
famines
there.
are less.
What is less, Viresh?
Ma'am, if there is
Ma'am,
some
famine.
constraint in the policy.
No, what I am asking is see. Listen. If you remember, there are some points, given in bold letters in your book, in the chapter. Those points actually are the reasons why the democratic form of government is more popular than any other form of government. So keeping those in mind, you have to give me the answer. Right, class?
Ma'am, it improves the quality of decision making.
Very good. Then,
Ma'am, every citizen has one vote and every vote has one equal value.
exactly. Very good. Another point.
Ma'am, the government is more accountable to the people.
Very good. The democratic government is more accountable to the people, and it is more accountable form of government also, you can say. Then what else?
Ma'am, it helps
Ma'am,
to
the
deal with
Democracy
different groups
provides
of
a method
dignity
to
of
deal with
citizens,
difference
those who are
and
elected by the
conflicts.
It allows methods to deal with the differences and the conflicts among the citizens, right? Very good. Somebody said dignity of citizen also, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
It enhances
Democracy
enhances the dignity of the citizens. Very good.
Ma'am, the final lawmaking power is resting within those who are elected by the people.
Lawmaking is done by the people who are elected by the selected or the elected representatives of the people, right?
Ma'am, it also allows us to correct the mistakes which we make in the previous elections.
ठीक है,
Yes,
very good.
ma'am.
It is based on principle of political equality.
It is based on the principle of political equality. Very good. Fine. Next is, wait. Some of the drawbacks of democracy are, I am reading out some options. You have to tell which are the setbacks or the drawbacks of democracy. Instability and delays, too much political rivalry, and corruption and hypocrisy. All of these.
All of these.
All of these.
It is all of
All of these.
Very good. Next, in some countries, dash do not enjoy the same rights as the citizens.
Women,
People हम कह सकते हैं, people do not enjoy the same rights as the citizen. हमने फिजी का एग्जाम्पल पढ़ा, हमने एस्टोनिया का पढ़ा, है ना?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ. The Nazis, वैसे इसमें women है correct, but क्योंकि सऊदी अरेबिया में दे दिया गया है, तो अब हम ये लिख सकते हैं कि भाई some people do not enjoy the same right as the other citizens are enjoying. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
Another question is, Winston Churchill was associated with the, चलो ये हमने पढ़ा नहीं है, जिसको छोड़ दो आप. Many forms of government have been tried in this world of sin and woe. No one pretends that democracy is perfect or all wise. Indeed, it has been said that democracy is the worst form of government except all those other forms that have been tried from time to time. Who made the above mentioned statement? अच्छा, for this you need to, नहीं चलो इसको भी छोड़ दो बेटा, let it be. Now MCQs I am reading out, okay? In any society, people are bound to have differences of opinions and interests. Which is a better way of dealing with these conflicts? First, by brutal power exercised by the government. Second, by allowing one group to dictate terms to others. Third, by providing equal opportunities to all. And the fourth, by opting for a strong leader who should have all the powers. Which one is better?
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am, option C.
हाँ,
By
Ma'am,
providing equal
equal
opportunities.
to all. Very good, very good. How does democracy allow us to correct its own mistakes? Option A, mistakes are hidden and cannot be corrected. Option B, re-electing the same government to enable it to correct its mistakes. C, the rulers can be changed. D, none of the above.
The rulers can be changed.
Ma'am,
Option
Rulers can be changed.
हाँ, the
D.
rulers
Ma'am,
can be
the rulers
changed.
can be changed.
Very good, very good. Third one. The most common form that democracy takes in our time is that of limited democracy, representative democracy, direct democracy, none of these.
representative democracy.
हाँ,
Representative democracy.
very good class. Representative,
Representative democracy.
हाँ, representative democracy. Very good. Next. Which of these is not an instance of broader meaning of democracy? Taking opinion of all the family members before taking a decision, being allowed to ask questions in the class, having no say in one's marriage plan, none of the above.
Ma'am, option C.
Ma'am,
Huh?
having no say in
Having no
one.
say in one's marriage plan.
Option C.
Which of these?
Option C.
Not an
Ma'am, option
instance.
C.
ठीक है. Option
Ma'am,
C. Option C. Very good. Very good. Which body in Indian political system is an example of direct democracy? Zilla Parishad, Gram Sabha, Panchayat Samiti या Vidhan Sabha?
Panchayat Samiti. Ma'am, Panchayat Samiti.
Ma'am.
ग्राम सभा नहीं होगा? ग्राम सभा नहीं होगा? आप मुझे बताओ. ग्राम सभा होना चाहिए बेटा इसका आंसर.
Ma'am, can you repeat the options?
Question. अच्छा, options repeat करें. जिला परिषद, पंचायत
Ma'am, please
समिति.
repeat the question as
Question
well.
is, which body in Indian political system is an example of direct democracy? जिला परिषद, पंचायत सिस्टम, ग्राम समिति, ग्राम सभा, विधान सभा.
Gram Sabha.
Ma'am, Gram Sabha.
Gram
Because
Sabha
all
should
the
be
Gram
the-
Sabha.
Yes,
village
Gram
people
Sabha
come there.
come together and sit and discuss all the problems that are there. Very good. Next, which of these is an example of perfect democracy? USA, UK, India, Pakistan.
India.
India.
India is a perfect democracy. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Why USA is not a perfect democracy?
Ma'am, because it has both
Ma'am,
rule democracy and
Because of the
non-democracy.
racial discrimination.
Because of the
Racial
Ma'am,
discrimination there.
on the basis of the
Ma'am, I have one more point.
okay. Tell Viresh, what is your point?
Ma'am, I read somewhere that US follows gerrymanderization. That is, anyone can set the provinces. So, if anyone sets the provinces not according to the population, then there are much chances that the leader wins.
Yes, this can be one reason. You are right. USA is not a perfect democracy because USA is a coming together federation, right? Where several countries have come together to form a larger unit, right? This much is understood. And moreover,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
the individual units that are there, they are all, they have their own governors to rule over them, and they have their own powers. There is no segregation of powers, like the state and there is no state and center in USA. The president has whole source authority, and all the sub units that are there in the country, they rule themselves. They have separate judiciary, they have separate laws, right? That is why it is not a perfect democracy. Coming to UK is a constitutional monarchy where the queen is there, but we have the written constitution where we have a prime minister working on that, as per that, right? This much is understood. Then Pakistan is not a perfect democracy, because since 1947 several times Pakistan has been led by the military dictators, right? There have been martial law several times, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
India is the only country where since 1947 only and only democracy is prevalent. Democratic system is prevalent, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, which of these is not a feature of monarchy, dictatorship, or one party rule? Censorship of press. You understood the question, no?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
please
Okay.
repeat?
Question is, which of these is not a feature of monarchy or dictatorship or one party rule? Options are censorship of press, no opposition party or parties, citizens take part in politics, one man rule.
Citizens
C.
take part
Option
in
C.
politics.
Option C, citizens taking part in politics. Very good. Very good, class. Next, one person, one vote means one person is to be voted by all. One person has one vote and each vote has one value. A person can vote only once in his life. Both A and C.
Both A and
Ma'am, option B.
Option B.
Option B.
Ma'am, option D.
Viresh, both A and C is not correct, okay? Option B is
B.
correct. One person has one vote and each vote has one value, right?
okay, ma'am.
Fine. Next, why can the Chinese government not be allowed, not be called a democratic government even though elections are held there? Options are army participates in election, government is not accountable to the people, some parts of China are not represented at all, government is always formed by the Communist Party. Out of all these four, which one is
Government is
correct?
always
Ma'am,
formed by the
option
Communist
D.
Party.
Government
It is
is
always
formed
formed
by
by
the
the
Option B.
Communist Party.
Very good, Ujjwal. Very good, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Government is always formed by the Communist Party. Shabash. Next, democracy must be based on one party system, free and fair election, choice from only the ruling party, military system.
Ma'am,
Free and
C.
fair
Option B.
elections.
Ma'am, option B.
Free
Ma'am,
and fair
option
election.
Yes, option B, free and fair elections. Very good. Next, in August 2002, Parvez Musharraf issued a legal framework order that amended the Constitution of Pakistan. According to this order, the president could, you have to choose, appoint the national assemblies, dismiss the national and provincial assemblies, amend the constitution on his own, declare elections. Which one
Dismiss the
is
national or provincial
Ma'am, declare
assemblies.
very good?
Option
Option
B.
B is correct. Dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Very good. Next, a democratic government has to respect some rules after winning the elections. Which of these points, which of these point is not a points is not a part of those rules? First is respecting guarantees given to the minorities. Every major decision has to go through a series of consultations. Office bearers are not accountable. And last is office bearers have some responsibilities.
And option
Office
C.
bearers
Office
are not
bearers are not
accountable.
accountable.
Option C.
Of
Yes.
bearers are not.
Option C. Office bearers are not accountable. Very good. What is a constitutional law? Option, provisions given in the constitution, law to make constitution, law to set up constituent assembly, none of the above. What is constitutional law? Provisions given in the constitution, law to make constitution, law to set up constituent assembly, none of the above.
Option
Option A.
Provisions given in
option
the
A.
constitution is called constitutional law. Very good.
Law.
Next, which of these is permitted under the rule of law? I hope you all know what is rule of law.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prime Minister can be punished by violating the constitution. Second, police has a right to kill anybody. C, women can be paid lesser salaries. D, president can rule for as long as he wants. Which one is the correct
Ma'am,
option?
A.
Option A.
A.
Prime Minister can be
Option A.
punished.
Very good, class. Prime Minister can be punished for violating the constitution. This is rule of law. Though he is the prime minister, still, if he violates the law, he is to be punished under the law. Right? Chaliye.
But ma'am, he can't be like punished. He can just go through an impeachment, right?
Beta,
Or is he can
punishment
be
is
like
there.
punished?
Suppose he murders somebody, then
He can be put behind bars.
of course.
Okay, ma'am.
भाई मर्डर कर दिया, मर्डर करने के तो चार्जेस, अगर आपने मर्डर करा तो अंडर अ पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन आपने मर्डर, आपके ऊपर मर्डर चार्जेस हो गए, वो प्रूफ भी हो गए, तो फिर भाई जो मर्डर के लिए जो भी पेनल्टी आपको दी जाएगी, दैट यू हैव टू टेक. एंड एज पर लॉ जो भी मर्डर करता है उसको डेथ सेंटेंस मिलता है या लाइफ टाइम इम्प्रिजनमेंट मिलती है.
Okay,
वैसे तो देखो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली स्पीकिंग तो हम उसको पनिश करते हैं, इम्पीचमेंट होता है टू रिमूव फ्रॉम दिस चेयर. बट चेयर से रिमूव करने के बाद जो भी उसने लॉ वायलेशन हुआ है, जिस भी लेवल का हुआ है, एज पर द वायलेशन ऑफ द लॉ आपको पनिशमेंट दी जाती है. बेटा पनिशमेंट तो मिलेगी, है ना, बिकॉज यू आर द
Okay,
प्राइम
ma'am.
मिनिस्टर, यू कैन नॉट डू अवे विद द पनिशमेंट. अब आप देखो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे हमारे जो P. Chidambaram, he is behind the bars because of what reason? Because of the reason that he misused his power when he was the finance minister.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So violation के, और फिर एक हमारे वो इंफॉर्मेशन मिनिस्टर हुआ करते थे, बहुत टेलीकॉम मिनिस्टर हुआ करते थे बहुत पहले, मुझे नाम उनका याद नहीं आ रहा है, उनके ऊपर भी बहुत सारे एलिगेशंस लगाए गए थे, बहुत सारे चार्जेस लगाए गए थे. तो उसमें भी जब वो चार्जेस भले ही 20-25 साल के बाद जो है प्रूव हुए उनके ऊपर, तो जो भी उनका पनिशमेंट था फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर वायलेशन, तो वही सेम पनिशमेंट जो है उनको दिया गया. नाउ ही इज आल्सो बिहाइंड द बार्स.
Ma'am, like Nitish Kumar.
Lalu, even Lalu Yadav, the ex Bihar CM, he was charged with the fodder scam, and it was proved also in the court. So of course, because of that, he's bearing the punishment, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Because we are on a position where we are respectable, but that does not mean that we can do anything that we feel like, right? This is the reason why democracy is appreciated by all. This is the reason why people want, most of the countries, they want democracy only, because they know that in democracy, where we have a constitution and people need to abide by the laws, whether it is the president or the prime minister. अभी आप देखो यूएसए में क्या हो रहा है. यूएसए में जो आपके जो एक्स प्रेसिडेंट हैं, मेरे ख्याल से पहले यूएसए के एक्स प्रेसिडेंट होंगे जिनके ऊपर जो है इस तरीके का एलिगेशंस लगाया जा रहा है. इम्पीचमेंट उनके साथ होगा, उनको भी जो है कोर्ट में लाया जाएगा फॉर वायलेटिंग द लॉज, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए नेक्स्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
आपको पता है मिखाइल गोर्बाचोव जो थे वो कहाँ के प्रेसिडेंट थे? फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट. डू यू नो?
मैम रशिया.
हाँ, वेरी गुड. फॉर्मर प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रशिया, यूएसएसआर जिसको हम बोलते थे. ओके, चलो एक मैच द फॉलोइंग था, बट रहने दो, ये हमने पढ़ा नहीं है, इसको रहने देते हैं. नेक्स्ट, करेक्ट द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स एंड रीराइट. President Mugabe of Zimbabwe was popular because he never used unfair practices in elections.
He was
He
popular
was
because he
popular
always
because he led
Because
the
he
independence.
used unfair
Hmm.
practices.
Because he was popular because he was the leader of the
Led the
ZUPF
freedom.
party who brought independence to the country, but he was also popular because he used unfair practices in the election, right? He used unfair practices in elections. ठीक है? President Mugabe of Zimbabwe was popular because he was unpopular. No, he was popular because he used unfair practices in elections. Okay. Next question is, name a country which practices constitutional monarchy. Name a country.
UK.
United Kingdom.
Kingdom. Very good.
Britain.
Okay. Chalo, though this is not there in the chapter, still I am asking you, what do you understand by the term despotic?
The absolute power of some
हाँ,
ruler.
by an individual. हाँ. Exercising absolute power by an individual or a king, right?
Yes, ma'am.
To whom is the right to vote denied in Fiji? To whom is the right to vote denied in Fiji?
Ma'am, Indian Fijian.
Ma'am, Indian Fijian.
Indian?
Fijian.
ठीक है.
Fijian.
Very good. Then, can you explain why it is said that democracy is based on consultation and discussion?
Ma'am,
Because
in
when a
order to
law
make-
is being made in a democracy, it has to go through various it has to go through a procedure in which it is passed by every house, and there is a lot of consultation and decision on the particular law
debates.
ठीक है.
before it actually becomes a law.
हाँ, before it actually becomes a law. Very good. चलिए. Then, are elections sufficient to guarantee the existence of democratic government?
No,
Are
ma'am.
elections?
No, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, we can take the
Because
example
there are
of
several
Mexico or
countries
China for this.
which
Huh?
hold elections, but they
Huh?
still are done by unfair practices. Like China, they have like single party rule. Zimbabwe,
Hmm.
where the
Mexico.
ruling party practices unfair means.
ठीक है. Gargi, you were also saying something,
Ma'am, I was saying the same.
but you can repeat always.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, for this answer, we can take the example of the countries like China or Mexico, where unfair practices are used in the practice of elections, which
Right.
make them undemocratic.
हाँ. Though they hold elections every 5 years or 6 years, but still the elections are not the guarantee of democratic government, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. Give two merits and demerits of democracy. Any two demerits and any two merits of democracy. You can say advantages, disadvantages. Also, you can say weak points, weaknesses, and the strengths. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Yes, Gargi.
weaknesses.
अच्छा, Viresh, Gargi, let Viresh tell, then you tell, okay? हाँ, Viresh, बच्चे बताओ.
Ma'am, two weaknesses that it takes a lot of time to take a decision, and ma'am, also also the people are not so intelligent to give one to elect one person, and then two merits are a person is it, it is the variety of choices are shown by as the decision are taken by the representatives, and ma'am, uh, Mind like things are happening less. It
No,
is
no.
known by
You can see,
statistics.
we just now, we discussed about the popularity of the democratic form of government. You can quote any two points from that particular answer which we discussed. Yes, Akansha, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I wanted to give the answer if
हाँ,
that's
चलो.
okay.
हाँ, let Gargi tell first, then you tell. Okay, Gargi बताओ बच्चे.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the disadvantages are that first, it creates factionalism among the citizens,
Hmm.
and second, it leads to delays and instability in the decisions.
Very
And
good.
the advantages are that first, it reduces the chances of irresponsible decisions, and second, it enhances the dignity of the citizens.
Very good. Akansha, any other point you can tell, Akansha?
Ma'am, I was about to say that demerits are like political rivalries there, long time to make a bill a law.
Hmm.
There's a long time. There's instability
Hmm.
because the rulers keep changing.
Exactly. After every
Merits
5
could
years.
be,
Huh. What are the
yes, ma'am.
merits?
Merits could be that it enhances the dignity of citizens,
Very good.
and there's a lot of consultation and debates on a particular bill before it becomes a
Exactly.
law.
Huh. And it always gives a space, gives room or gives spaces to deal with the conflicts and the differences that are there among the people, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We can also say that the democracy is a type of government which is always based on the deliberations and the negotiations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other point, class? Any other point? Dhruv, Anamta, Shrishti, Pavni, Aksada, Puneet, any other point that you would like to quote for the same? No?
No.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Fine. See, for this constitutional design chapter, we all know that South Africa is not coming. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
A dash contains, now fill in the blanks from constitutional design. A dash contains a set of fundamental ideals and principles that all countrymen agree upon. What is it?
Constitution.
Constitution.
A constitution contains.
Constitution.
Very good. In a dash, people elect their representatives through periodic elections to rule on their behalf.
Democracy.
Democracy.
In a democracy.
Representative
Very good.
democracy.
Very good. In a monarchy, a dash is ruled by a king or a queen aided by a council of ministers.
A country.
In a monarchy, a country is ruled by. Very good. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Om Prakash Valmiki faced discrimination and humiliation in their childhood because they were
Of lower caste.
Dalits. They were of
because
lower
they were
caste.
Dalits. Very good. Very good.